Okay, so today I want to take you around to see the complete set of 20 tons rice processing machine. So we started this installation 1 week ago, and today we are done. The machine is set for usage. So I would love to explain to you how the machine works, the components we have here. So for someone who is looking at going into rice processing business, these are the basic machine you need. I call them basic because you will still need to have parboiling unit and drying unit. Now, parboiling is where your paddy will be cooked, where your paddy will be dried before you move it to your milling section here. So what we have here is the milling section. So we just did a cut of what we're supposed to have, because the parboiling, we do it manually, and then we use drying manually, which is sun drying. But if you have the financial resources, you can start from your parboiling section, your dryer section, and to this complete milling. Now that will cost you more, but then you are able to do away with human interactions, things that human beings need to do, cooking the rice, drying the rice. And in fact, if you're based in places where you have a steady or constant rainfall, you will struggle with drying paddy when it's rainy season. In fact, I think this is one of the major issues many of our local processors have. When it's rainy season, they struggle with drying the rice, right? But if you don't have the money to do the drying and the parboiling unit, you can start with this. So let me explain to you how this mill work. So where I'm standing here is called combined rice mill. So this set to that set is what we call combined rice mill. So this is where this machine does your paddy cleaning. This machine does your paddy milling. Because many times, some of our machines here, or let me say how our farmers harvest their rice, it comes with a lot of chaff, right? So this machine first does the cleaning. I will take you at the back so you see it. But this is where you're going to feed your rice. So after parboiling different, after drying differently, you bring the paddy in here and you pour it here. This is your inlet. This is where you pour your paddy. And these things here you're seeing here, they are called elevators. They are the ones that move your paddy from here and then does the cleaning, does the destoning, and move it to this machine where the milling is done. When we say milling now, for someone who doesn't know, that is removing the rice husks, the rice back. That back, we call it husks. This machine does the removing. This machine does the whitening, like polishing the rice so that it will be whitish. Because many people now, when they buy Nigerian rice, they'll be like, oh, I want it to be white, I want it to be bright. This is what this machine does here. Does the peeling off, does the whitening, and then you are good to go, right? So we also have this small machine that you're seeing here, right? This one is called grater. Now, what this grater does is that it removes the broken rice, the smaller pieces, right? This machine removes them out. As the rice is coming from the elevator down to this set, this grater, once it is on, I'll also show you how it works. But this machine here removes all the broken rice, the smallest unit, the drop off here, and then it gives down to this elevator. Now, the job of elevator is to transport the rice. Normally now, these activities would have been done manually. Someone will pick rice on his head and come and pour to this machine and then pour to the next. But that is what the elevator does. Inside these elevators, we have cups that does the moving. It's automatic, right? These are control box. Here, all the machines that you see from that side to that, they are all here. You see them here. Our destoner is here, polisher is here, all the elevators are here. So this is where this box here controls the entire machine. Now, this is our water polisher. Many times when we started doing rice processing in 2019, we didn't have this kind of equipment. So after doing your rice, milling it, then the rice will have dust. Customers will be complaining. Like when you touch the rice, you see that your hand is very dirty. This machine does do away with that. It's called water polisher. So at the back there, we have a water tank that does the cleaning for you. So this one, you don't need to worry yourself that, oh, my rice is not clean. This machine cleans the rice. There is water at the back there does the cleaning, and then it gives down to this elevator. So this giant machine you're seeing here is called color sorter, right? So this is the machine that does the selecting, because normally bulk of our rice are black. They have brownish rice. Now, why does rice have black? Now, I know you're not going into rice farming, but you should have that knowledge. It's because of how we plant our rice and where we plant the rice. So rice that is being planted in lowland, that is where we have a lot of water. Many times the rice does so well that those black are the one that we're not able to grow to full seed. They turn black after harvesting. So many times rice that is properly grown at the right time, you hardly see the black. But because most of our rice here are done upland in Nigeria here, many rice farmers, they do is upland. You will see the black there. So this machine does the selecting for us. It does the selecting. So the rice you're having is complete white, like foreign rice. Let me use that word, like imported rice. This is what this machine does for you. And this one is called grater. Now, remember I showed you one grater there. That one is smaller. This is a bigger one. This one does remove all the broken rice, drop it here, and then the final unit is our packaging section. You can come to this side so that they see it very well. So this is our packaging section. So now this packaging section, the rice have gone through that elevator to this tank, right? Now the packaging is done here. All you need to do is bring your bag, put it there, do your setting, and then the machine release the volume that you need. So if you want to package 50 kg, or you want to package 25 kg, or you want to package 10 kg, this is here in view. So you can come very close so that you see. Once you want the generator, I'll see explain. So you can see that this is where you do the setting. You set it here, how many kg you want to package, and then you fix your bag here, and then the machine release the volume of rice that you want to package, and then see our sewing here. This machine does the sewing. So let's check the bag. Let's check the bag. So these are compressor tank. So this compressor here is what pumps the air that moves bulk of this machine that you're seeing here. Without this compressor, this machine will not be able to work. You can see it here. So this is our grater. You can change it. You can see the back. This is the back of our color sorter. Here with stabilizer that handles everything. So this is one of the most important machines in rice process. I always tell people that even if you don't have much money, you should start with this machine, because customers want to see high quality rice, and this is what gives them that. So like I said, this one is our water polisher. This is our bag. This is the bag. Now bring it to this water polisher here. So I was trying to explain to you how the water polisher works, so you can focus the camera here. So these are our small bucket here. All we need to do is fill in water here, right? And then once this machine is on, the water is moving here to this place and brushing the rice so that it does not come out with dust, right? So that is what this machine does. This is the tank here, and all these plenty ones. You don't need to understand this one. So come to this side. Yeah. So these are combined meat here. You can see. So the rice bran, or let me say the hawks. This is the pipe that takes the hawks out. So the hawks is blowing outside automatic. You don't need to do anything there, right? Some of these tanks we fix them later. So these are complete meat here. You can go to this side. See the rice packing we have. So let's say we want to also have this type of facility, and you're looking at, you want to import it from China. Yes, we can import it for you. Once the machine gets to Nigeria, we do the installation for you. And again, even if you buy the machine by yourself and you need someone to install for you, we can also do it for you. My WhatsApp number and my email is there on the screen for you to see, and then you reach out to us so that we can do the installation for you. So this our client here, he bought the machine and then he reached out to me, and we are here to do the installation for him. So if you have gotten the machine and you are looking at how do I install, you reach out to us, because many times if you want to bring, you can bring the Indians or let me say the Chinese to come and install for you. But we are here, so you don't have to do that. Waste that much. We do the installation for you. No matter the volume of your factory, whether it's 100 tons or 200 tons or 500 tons, we can do the installation for you. Whether you have the parboiling section, the dryer section, all of that, we can import it for you. And if you have done it yourself and you need someone to install the machine for you, we can also do the installation for you. So reach out to me so that we can help you to start your rice business. Thank you and stay connected.